Hello students, today we see third lesson of history, India's internal changes. In this chapter, we are going to learn about some internal changes that India faces. We shall see some internal changes like separatist movements, issue of Northeast India, naxalism, communalism and regionalism. In last lesson, we saw in India, some people demand separate Punjab, that is Khalistan movement. Okay, and we see in this chapter how Indian government solve these challenges. Separatist movement means the some people demand separate, means they don't live in India, they want separate country. Northeast people like Sikkim, Meghalaya, people in Sikkim, Meghalaya, etc. Just like Adivasi, there is a in Northeast there is a Adivasi challenges. Communalism means division of society on the basis of religion. Regionalism means it is being regionalism means being pride to be a particular state. Means today we see we are Maharashtrian, that is, and again after that we say we are Indian. That means we have pride to be say that we are Maharashtrian. This is regionalism. Understand that regionalism means being pride to be a particular state, just like Maharashtrian, other state Gujaratian, Rajasthani, just like that. Let's see the unrest in Punjab. Akali Dal was the major political party in Punjab. Akali Dal is the major political party in Punjab. In 1973, the Akali Dal passed the Anandpur Sahib resolution. The Akali Dal passed the Anandpur Sahib resolution. Resolution means declaration. Resolution means declaration. Okay. The following demands were made in this resolution. In this Anandpur Sahib resolution, there is a Akali Dal pass some resolution, means declaration. There is a demand. So, which demands are they? Let's see. Chandigarh should be made a part of Punjab. They want the Chandigarh should be a made part of Punjab. In that time, Punjab and Haryana, they both have Chandigarh as a capital. Okay, that means now their demand is Chandigarh should be a made part of Punjab. Punjabian wants the Chandigarh to be a capital in Punjab, but Haryana also want that. Okay, now then the Punjab and Chandigarh have half part of Chandigarh. Punjab have half part of Chandigarh and Haryana also have a half part of Chandigarh. That means Chandigarh is a union territory. That is a it is a union territory and central government control on Chandigarh. And that time they demand that Chandigarh should be a part of Punjab. The Punjabi speaking parts in other states should be included in the state of Punjab. The people live in other states. They want the all Punjabi get together and all Punjabi speaking are part of parts in their states should be included in the Punjab. Recruitment of people from Punjab in the Indian army should be increased. They want their in Indian army there is a more Punjabi army and more autonomy should be given to the state of Punjab. Akali Dal came to the power in Punjab in 1977. In 1977, Akali Dal came to power in Punjab. While taking a charge, they asked for a larger share of river waters for Punjab. After came to the power in Punjab, Akali Dal again they put their demands. What they are? They want the larger share of rivers water for Punjab. In Punjab there is 5 rivers, and they want the more share of river for Punjab. Holy city status for Amritsar. there is a golden temple in Punjab. So they want the holy city. They want the holy city status for Amritsar, etc. along with their old demands. With their old demands, they also want that two demands: larger share of river waters for Punjab and holy city status for Amritsar. In 1980, the movement for the independent Khalistan took root in Punjab. In 1980, the movement for independent Khalistan took root in Punjab. They demand the separate Khalistan for only Sikh people. Khalistans means only Sikh people. They want only Sikh people, that is independent Khalistan. Okay, during that period, the leader of Akali Dal was Sant Harcharan Singh Longowal. During that period, the leader of Akali Dal was Sant Harcharan Singh Longowal. Okay, he used to direct his activists from the Golden Temple to stage protest. Okay, he used the direct his activity from Golden Temple. On the other side of the Golden Temple, armed followers started gathering around the staunch Khalistan supporter Sant. Khalistan supporter Sant. Supporter, who is a supporter? There is a supporter, Khalistan supporter. His name is Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindarwale. Okay, in Akali Dal there is a one leader. The leader name is the Akali Dal leader name is Sant Harcharan Singh Longowal, and the supporter, there is a supporter, strong supporter. Who is the supporter? Strong supporter of Khalistan? Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindarwale. He is a strong supporter of Akali Dal. During that period, terrorist activity had begun. Bhindarwale was arrested in 1981, accused for the murder of newspaper editor. In 1980, the Bhindarwale was arrested. For what? Accused for murder of newspaper editor. Who is the Lala Jagat Narayan. After his incident, the situation worsened. Due to these developments, President's rule was imposed in Punjab in 1983. Okay, and Bhindarwale went to stay at a religious place called Akal Takht. After Bhindarwale, after escape, they went to stay a religious place called Akal Takht. Bhindarwale was arrested in 1981, accused of for murder of Lala Jagatram, who is a newspaper editor. Okay, and after that he was arrested. After that, President's rule was imposed in Punjab 1983. Bhindarwale was escaped and went to stay a religious place called Akal Takht. Bhindarwale followers captured Golden Temple. Bhindarwale followers, what they do? They capture Golden Temple. Means उन्होंने क्या किया? Golden Temple पे कब्जा किया and built a barricade of sandbags over there. The area looked like a fort. उन्होंने क्या किया? वहाँ पे sandbag barricade किए वहाँ पे, और क्या हुआ? The greatly disturbed the peace in Punjab. Again there is a disturb in the peace of Punjab. It was a major challenge to Indian democracy. It is a challenge to Indian democracy. For that reason, there is a operation. Government take a operation. Operation Blue Star. The main task of getting the terrorists out of the Golden Temple was entrusted to Major General Kuldeep Singh Brar. He is also Sikh. General Kuldeep Singh Brar is a major who is also Sikh. He is a major. On this morning, 3rd June 1984, the mission Operation Blue Star started. On the morning, 3rd June, the operation is start. The operation ended on 6th June. Only 3 days there is a operation. In that period, in this military operation, the Indian army functioned with a great restraint, and the operation ended with the death of Bhindarwale. In 3 days there is a operation, and in that operation the Bhindarwale was death, the death of Bhindranwale and other also terrorists. In 1986, an operation had to be conducted against the terrorists. After 2 years, there is also that problem. In 1986, an operation had to be conducted against terrorists. There is also terrorism after 2 years. In the Golden Temples, once more, there is Operation Blue Star. For Operation Blue Star, there is in 1984, the Bhindranwale capture, their supporter capture also Golden Temple. And after 2 years also the terrorist attack on, they capture a Golden Temple. And on that there is Operation Black Thunder. First is Operation Blue Star, second is Operation Black Thunder. After this action was taken, the process of establish of peace in Punjab picked up momentum. Here is two operation. First is Operation Blue Star. In Blue Star operation, the Bhindranwale was death. And operation after 2 years, there is also terrorist attack, and that in there is a Operation Black Thunder. After that, there is establish of peace in Punjab. Okay. Here we complete the unrest in Punjab and Operation Blue Star.